Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some DANI chins is the brand. I guess, I don't know, it says something else on the cuff. DANI chins classic. And this is underpants. So let's see how comfortable these are here. These are supposed to be more comfortable than normal. Oh, it's got like a pocket on it too, so kind of cool. So let's give these things a try. It comes with a black one and a white one. So these are kind of good. These are nice little workout kind of shorts and stuff. Let's see. Yeah. I'll try these on here and we'll see how they look and feel. One sec. Okay, so here they are on me. You can see I'm actually wearing underwear under it just so it's not so see-through. But it's kind of cool. It's got a little pockets here so you can put some stuff in the pockets. And they're comfortable. I got a size medium and I'm about 190 pounds, 5'10", so you can get an idea of how it fits. So that's how the white one fits on me here. It fits good. I like this, feels good. Definitely contains everything where it needs to. And now I will try on the black one just for fun. See how the black one looks on me. Doesn't matter, I'm wearing underwear anyway, and they are two of basically the same, but just different colors. And so this has the pocket as well. And you can see it fits good. It's gonna hold, it's up here. It's got a good bungee on it here to hold up. So I'm gonna say these are nice, comfortable. They fit good, fits good on my butt. So I like them, thumbs up.